Hello and welcome to our series of Tac-Force knife reviews, and today we're going to review for you TF-575RD. This is a spring-assisted knife. It has a nice red wooden handle. This knife measures 5 inches when closed. It has 3.75-inch stainless steel blade. Also, there is a marble insert handle, includes pocket clip on the other side, and lastly, let me show you how it works. Simply press on the top, and here we go. Let me give you a nice close-up of the blade, handle, This knife can be purchased at Amazon.com, and again, this is TF-575RD.